Hello everyone, my name is Warren Ellis. Unfortunately, I suffered a heart attack and a cardiac arrest just about 11 years ago on two separate occasions. It left me with heart disease, and because of that, I am suffering from hypertension and hypercholesterolemia. At that time, it was necessary for me to have a device known as a defibrillator planted. The device battery is just about depleted, and I am in need of a replacement urgently. I am having financial constraint affording this new device, and as such, I am seeking your assistance. I am very appreciative of your assistance. Thank